Introduction to drying and dehydration. What is drying or dehydration? Drying, dehydration is a method of removing or reducing the water content or moisture level from fruits and vegetables to preserve them for a longer time. There are three methods of drying: vis-a-vis, sun drying method, hot air drying method, freeze drying method. Prepare and maintain work area. A drying dehydration technician is responsible for preparing and maintaining the work area. Preparation involves inspecting the tools and machineries to ensure that they are clean and in working condition. Let us now take a look at the various tools and machineries used in the dehydrating process. Tools and machineries: plastic crates, roller conveyor, high pressure water nozzles, fruit vegetable washing machine, root vegetable peeler, grading machine, shredding, dicing, cubing, slicing machine, multifunction vegetable slice chopper, blending machine, steam jacketed kettles, chemical treatment tanks, cooling tanks, solar dryers, mechanical dryers, freeze dryer, spray dryer, powder filling machine, packing machine, shrink wrapping, carton packing, strapping machine, electronic color sorter, metal detector, abrasive peeler, hopper. Drying and dehydration process: fruits and vegetables. Drying dehydration process is the process in which the water from the fruits and vegetables is removed or reduced in order to preserve them for a longer time, without reducing its taste and quality. The removal or reduction of water can be done by using three methods: the sun drying method, the hot air drying and freeze drying method. Let us take a look at each of the process one by one. Sun drying method. Procure the raw materials and store them properly before starting the process. Weigh pre-processed fruits, vegetables for drying. Sort and grade the raw materials. Wash the material properly and thoroughly. Cut and load the raw material in tray cut face up. Fumigate the cut material with sulfur fumes to avoid spoilage by microorganisms. Transfer loaded tray to the drying area. Allow fruits, vegetables to stand until completely dry. Check drying produce periodically. Check dried products to ensure absolute removal of moisture. Transfer dried product to scraping line. Remove dried product from trays. Transfer product on the conveyor to vibrate. Remove any undesirable particles. Transfer dried product to finished product inspection line. Hot air drying batch process. Procure the raw materials and store them properly before starting the process. Adjust controls of hot air dryer. Start the dryer, set temperature and time to preheat. Transfer raw material from sulfurizing chamber into dryer. Control speed of blower fan and maintain the dryer temperature. Open dryer after specified time. Transfer cart to cooling area. Start fans, control the air speed and allow the dried product to cool adequately. Transfer dried product to finished product inspection line. Hot air drying continuous process. Procure the raw materials and store them properly before starting the process. Transfer fruits, vegetables from sulfurizing chamber into tunnel dryer. Set control parameters, temperature, time, fan speed and airflow, etc. Control speed of conveyor. Observe gauges periodically. Ensure moisture content conforms to standard. Start cooling line conveyor. Start fans, control the air speed and allow the dried product to cool adequately. Transfer dried product to finished product inspection line. Freezing fruits and vegetables. In earlier processes, we saw that the water was dried off the raw material. In this process, the water is frozen in the raw material itself. Procure the raw materials and store them properly before starting the process. Cut off the tip of the raw material before starting the process. Wash the raw material after getting it from the farm. Sort and grade the raw material as per its size and quality and ripening. Wash it thoroughly again before sending it to the freezing section. Convey it to the freezing section where the temperature is preset and below freezing temperatures. After freezing the raw material, it is checked for proper freezing and then sent for packing section. The packet product is stored in the cold storage before dispatch. Stock rotation system like FIFO and FEFO are applied. FIFO, first in, first out, is a stock rotation system that dispatches processed food depending on the order in which it is produced. FEFO, first expired, first out, is a stock rotation system wherein products that need to be consumed earlier are shipped first. Roles and responsibility of drying dehydration technician. Let us now take a look at the roles and responsibilities of drying dehydration technician. Handle raw material from post-harvest storage to the process line. Check raw material for quality. Ensure fruits and vegetables are sound and free from dirt, debris, foreign matter, glass and insects. Ensure minimum loss of raw materials. Record keeping and documentation. Document and maintain records of raw materials, production schedule and process, finished products, maintenance of hygiene and sanitation, adopt safety and sanitation related measures, follow food safety norms and practices, inspect machines and troubleshoot issues or escalate them to the supervisor. Ensure smooth operation of machinery to complete production line. Optimize the use of machinery. Attend to minor repairs of tools and machinery when required. Ensure that safety rules and regulations are observed. Prevent accidents. Plan and execute dehydration process. Adhere to good manufacturing practice, GMP. Ensure the products meet the quality standards set by the organization. Inspect intermediate as well as finished products. Check dried fruits and vegetables, dehydrated raw material, and finished products for quantity and quality. Ensure conformance of quality as per organizational standards. Follow storage and packaging norms. Ensure safe and proper storage of raw material, packing material, and finished goods. Let us now summarize the roles and responsibilities of drying dehydration processing technician.